How to use LinkedIn to find a job. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use LinkedIn to find a job, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now LinkedIn is a great platform for hiring recruiters as well as people who are looking to apply and increase their professional network. If you want to use leverage to find jobs and you want to leverage the LinkedIn platform, the first thing you do is create an account and just go to the jobs tab. Now before you apply for any job, I always wanted to make sure that you have a very clean and neat and professional looking profile, because chances are that if you apply for a certain job from LinkedIn, the hiring recruiter is going to take a look at the profile and judge you accordingly. So you want to make sure you have a clean setup profile. Then you can try to apply for a couple of jobs that you might be able to pique your interest at. Then once you've done that, you should be able to apply them, and then they will be able to get back to you after tapping on easy apply and sharing your details. This way you should be able to use LinkedIn to find a job. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.